Hello guys, I'm mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to design this 3D model in SolidWorks, and here we have the dimensions. This is the top view of the model and this is the right view, and we will get help from these dimensions to design this 3D model. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and post your comments. Your subscription and your comments give me more energy to upload more videos on my YouTube channel. So let's get started as soon as possible. Here we have the dimensions. Firstly, I have to close this model. For closing model in SolidWorks, just come here and click on close. Now I have to make a new part. For making a new part, come to the new part. Okay, now we have a new part. I'm going to draw the sketch of the top view, then we will extrude the sketch. So you have to choose a plane. Here we have three standards plane: front plane, top plane, and right plane. At first it doesn't matter which plane you choose, but I suggest you to choose the front plane. Firstly, so click on the front plane and click on the sketch. Now we have open a sketch. Here choose a circle, 2-point circle. I'm going to draw 3 circles in each other. So here start drawing the circle from the origin point, the orange point here. So click on this origin point and draw 3 circles. So here we can see when I get close to the origin point, an orange point here appears. It means that if I click on this orange point, the center of the circle will be connected to the origin point. So click on the screen and right click and select. Now choose the bigger circle and in options turn on the forward construction. Okay, here choose a small dimension. The dimension of the smaller circle is 32 millimeter, and the dimension of this circle is 40 millimeter. And the dimension of the last circle is, I think, the dimension of the circle, this one is 60 millimeter, yes. You can see the sketch is fully fine and everything is black, and the sketch is not moving. So here choose the 2-point circle and draw the circle at this point. So here I draw a circle, and here choose a small dimension. The dimension of this circle is I think it is 8 millimeter, yes. And right click and select, yes. Here choose 3-point arc and draw an arc here. So the center of the arc must be this side of the sketch, and click on the screen and right click and select, and here choose line and connect this point to this circle, and right click and select, and do the same thing here. Connect this point to this circle and right click and select. Here hold the control button, choose this line and this line and give it equal relation because they have the same dimension. Here choose a smart dimension. The radius of this arc is 10 millimeter, and here press the escape button and choose this point and this point and give it horizontal relation. So the sketch is not still full defined because it is still moving. And here hold the control button and choose this arc and the circle here and give it concentric relation. Now the center of the arc here and the circle is merged. The sketch is not still full defined because it is still moving. So hold the control button and choose this line and the arc here and give it tangent relation. And do the same thing here, tangent relation. Here choose a circular pattern, and in the first parameter choose the origin point, and in entities to mirror choose this line and this one and the arc here. And here we need 6 patterns. So in the patterns type 6, we need 6 patterns. Here must be equal spacing, here must be 360 degree, and yes, that's okay. Click on OK, and here hold the control button and choose this point and the point here and give it a merge relation, and hold the control button and choose this point and the circle here and give it coincidence relation. Now the sketch is fully defined. Now all you have to do is just I think we forgot to make a pattern of this circle. So here again choose circular pattern and choose In the first parameter, choose the origin point, and in entities to pattern, choose this circle. And we need 6 patterns, yes. And here must be equal spacing, here must be 360 degree, and okay. Here hold the control button and choose this circle and the arc here and give it concentric relation. And the sketch is full defined. Now all we have to do is just extrude the sketch. So you can see my sketch is not moving. I think here, if you don't have the feature tab, you can simply right click and you can turn on or turn off the feature tab. Here come to the feature and click on extrude boss and base. And in selected contour, choose these regions, this one. Here we have regions and choose these regions, yes. And here must be line and we have to extrude the sketch about 5 millimeter, yes. Don't turn on these two options. Here must be a sketch plane, yes. And click on OK. Now we have to offset the sketch. So here click on this surface and click on sketch, and in view orientation choose this view. Choose the offset entities, and here must be 4 millimeter, and choose these lines, and here turn on the reverse, yes. Here choose this the arc here and this line, and okay. Here choose 2-point circle and draw a circle at the origin point and right click and select. Now here choose a smart dimension. The dimension of the circle is 40 millimeter. And here choose trim entities. I'm going to trim this line here and this one. Now all we have to do is just convert this circle. So here choose convert entities and choose this circle and okay. Now the circle is converted. Here choose circular pattern. I'm going to pattern the these lines here. So in the first parameter choose the origin point, and in entities to mirror choose this circle, this arc and this line and this one, and we need 6 pattern, yes. Here must be equal spacing, here must be 360 degree, and yes, that's okay. Click on OK. The sketch is not still fully defined because it is still moving. Hold the control button and choose this point and the circle and give it constant relation. Again, choose this point and the circle and give it constant relation. This point and the circle here and constant relation. The sketch is fully defined, and if you can't see the dimensions or the relations, come to the hide and show items and you can turn on or turn off the sketch view relations or the dimensions. I think we should turn off the sketch view relations and the dimensions. And here come to the feature again and click on extrude boss and base and do the same thing again. We are going to extrude the sketch, this region, choose these regions and this one. And here must be 5 millimeter. Turn on the merge result. Here must be a sketch plane. Don't turn on these two options and click on OK. Now we designed the model. All we have to do is just apply a color. So here choose this box extrude, and in edit appearance we can change the color, for example to, I think red is better, yes. First, and here for example we can change the color of this extrusion to blue, yes. For example, we can change the color to blue, or we can change the color of the surfaces. For example, I can hold the control button and we can choose these surfaces, and we can change the color of the surface. For example, we can change the color to green. Okay, you can see the color has been changed to green. And I will leave the link of the dimensions in the captions, and please practice at home and do it yourself. I have uploaded over 60 videos on my YouTube channel about designing in SolidWorks. Please watch those videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments or subscription, and your comments give me more energy to upload more videos on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.